Customers perceive Godrej as guardians of the nation's wealth. Now, to do this, there is a lot of background work which has been happening over the last 110 years. Importance to quality, coming out with new products, with new features. Design innovation is one area where we have put a lot of focus, because not only we make products which meet the Indian standards, we also make products as per the international standard. The line is configured by putting in place a series of equipment which are custom built and custom designed by our team of engineers. Also, to maintain these lines, we have a robust team of engineers in the maintenance department who maintain these machines, because of which the consistency of the production can be guaranteed. In the next few years, our firm efforts will therefore be focused on make the products in a way where we can manage the flexibility which is required, the customization which is required, and meet the demands of the customers not only in India but also in these international markets.